Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows backup app causing delay when logging off. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Windows backup causing delay every time when you are logging off, then I will show you simple method how to fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to just click here on this search, then type here cmd. Right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Here you need to type sfc space /scan now. Then hit enter. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes. After completion of this, you have to try the second command, that is just copy this first command from my video description link and paste in the cmd. After completion of this first command, just copy the second command and paste it and hit enter. After completion of this, copy this third command and control U to paste. Like this you have to do all these 3 to 4 commands. After completion of this, restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. Still you are facing the issue, then try the second method. For that, click on the search menu, then type here other users. Here you will find other users. Click on this, then click on add account. Then click on I don't have this person's sign in information. Then select this option, add a user without a Microsoft account. Select the username and enter the password. After creating this password, just you have to select the security questions. Just I am selecting as randomly. You can select as per your choice. Then click on next. You can see the account has been created. Click on this drop down menu, then change the account type. Select from standard user to administrator, then click on OK. Now this account has created as administrator. Now log in with other user, then try. Hope your issue will be resolved. After trying this, still you are facing the issue, then try the third method, that is system restore. Click on the search menu, then type here restore. Then click on create a restore point. Here you can see configure system restore settings, manage this is. Click on configure. Here you will find system restore. You can undo restore systems by reverting your computer to previous restore point. Click on this option. By default it's showing this time. You can select the custom date from this selection. Choose a different restore point. Click on next. Select the different restore point. If you want more options, you can select this option. Select any one of the date, then click on next, and it will take some time. After that it will restart. After restart, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows backup app causing delay when logging off. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.